Hello, YouTubers. This is going to be another wire fire alarm system test 5 with my same BG12 right there, and we have the same 9-volt batteries to hooked up. And for alarms, I got Wheelock RSS 2411W. Next time, I might get the MCW. So yeah, it's on 110 candela, as you can see. So yeah, let's test it out. Let's test this out, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. Very bright. So yeah. Well, since it's back to normal now, and that was my Wheelock RSS 2411W. I might get the MCW next time. Next time when I get some more wires, I will definitely see if I will connect both positive wires into both alarms to see if that will work to activate it at the same time. So yeah. So yeah, let's see if I can make the code 3 strobe. So yeah, code 3 strobes. Alright, so that was a test of my Wheelock RSS 2411W. Alright, I'll see you in the next video, and peace out. I'll see you later. That was the system test, wire fire alarm system test 5. Have a good day, everybody, and have a good night, too.